Hey everyone, this is Daily English Teacher. Today, we're going to talk about one of the most overused words in English, get. Yes, that small, simple word that appears everywhere. But if you want to sound natural and more advanced, you need to stop using get all the time. Stay until the end, because I will give you a quiz to test your understanding. And make sure to subscribe for daily lessons to make your English sound natural and confident. Part 1. Why you should stop saying get. Most English learners use get for everything. Get up, get better, get angry, get a job, get cold, get tired. Of course, get is not wrong, but it makes your English sound repetitive and basic. Native speakers use many other verbs to express the same ideas, depending on the context. So today, let's replace get with more precise and natural words. Part 2. Get plus adjective use become. Instead of saying, I got tired after work. Say I became tired after work. Or even better, I felt exhausted after work. Instead of, he got angry when I told him the truth. Say he became angry, or he lost his temper. Become is more formal, and it shows a higher level of vocabulary. Part 3. Getnou and use receive, obtain, or buy. Instead of saying, I got a letter from my friend. Say I received a letter from my friend. Instead of, he got a new job last month. Say he found a new job, if he was hired last month. Instead of, I got a car yesterday. Say, I bought a car yesterday. Each verb shows a specific meaning. Receive means you were given something, buy means you paid for it, and find means you discovered or achieved something. Part 4. Get plus place use arrive, reach, or come. Instead of saying, I got home late last night. Say I arrived home late last night. Instead of, when will you get there? Say, when will you arrive there? Or when will you reach there? Instead of, I got to the office early. Say, I arrived at the office early. These words make your English sound more accurate and natural. Part 5. Get plus past participle use become or be. Instead of saying, it got broken. Say it was broken. Instead of, he got promoted last year. Say he was promoted last year. instead of she got married in June. Say she became married, or she married in June. Remember, in many cases, get can sound too casual. Be or become sound more natural and formal, especially in writing. Part 6. Get plus phrases you should avoid. Here are a few examples of lazy English that many students use. I got it. I don't get you. I got no idea. Instead, say I understand. I don't understand what you mean. I have no idea. See how much clearer and more natural these sound. Quiz time. Which sentence sounds more natural? I got a job last week. B. I was hired last week. C. I got hired last week. D. I got a working position. Correct answer, B. It is more natural and formal, and it uses a specific verb that shows achievement. That's it for today's lesson. Stop overusing get and start using more precise verbs. It will make your English sound more natural, confident, and advanced. If you enjoyed this lesson, subscribe and keep learning every day with Daily English Teacher.